Baby Trend hybrid installation using a lap shoulder seatbelt and top tether. This is that front entry seatbelt routing plus the top tether for any size of child using the harnessed mode of the Baby Trend hybrid. And please note that my hybrid is missing its harness because it was a side of the road special, but let's go ahead with the installation demonstration because it is tricky. To do the front entry routing with that lap shoulder seatbelt, first wrap the lap portion of the belt under the armrest. Then take the buckle tongue and pass it through this slit in the fabric and the plastic shell. Then you'll pass it behind the car seat, behind the plastic shell, to come out the matching slit on the other side. This can take some finagling and finesse. You may want to have some extra slack available in your belt. You might need to reach around and almost pull it out over here in order to reach the other slit. Got it with me so far? Then get that extra out and wrap the seatbelt around the front. The lap portion's going to go under the armrest again, and the shoulder portion will go over the armrest and in this guide on the side of the seat. You'll buckle the seatbelt and then tighten it up. To get it tight, you may need to pass the slack along that serpentine path, kind of one turn at a time, to make sure you get all of that hidden slack out. Make sure that you've locked your belt and tighten until you have less than 1 inch of movement. So what you end up with is the shoulder belt coming down from above, the lap belt coming around from under the armrest. Lap and shoulder portions go through this slit. They go around behind the plastic shell and then around the other side to buckle in with the lap belt under the armrest and the shoulder belt in that gray guide. And then, of course, we attach and tighten the top tether. While this makes for a really solid installation, it is really hard to get out of the car sometimes. Hold the shoulder belt up here so that it cannot retract any further when you unbuckle the belt. Unbuckle and bring it around the front of the armrest. Hold it up here so it doesn't start retracting on you. Take it out of the guide and then pull it out from the belt path and let it retract. Again, that is the installation for the Baby Trend hybrid in harnessed mode using a lap shoulder belt and top tether. Always read and follow your manual's instructions and get help from a CPST if you have questions.